It is time to whoop that ass. All right, Sasquatch. All right, North. That's enough out of you. A little bit of this. Some trauma for your face. A little Kang for your face as well. Goodbye. I've had enough out of you, Sasquatch. All right, Colossus, you a little bit of speed up. A little bit of explosion. Goodbye, goodbye. Hello from Lady Deathstrike. Clear it from shit. Do a little bit more exploding. All right, Dazzler. Go smack on some defense down Nightcrawler. Goodbye. Some defense up. Dazzler getting wrecked. Searcher keep the cooldowns up. Bye-bye. Next.